Hello, hello, and welcome to my review of Artius Man E4 Beard Wash. Good to have you here. This month, we the Beard Trend reviewers are reviewing a large variety of different Artius Man beard products, so check out the playlist that is pinned in the top comment, and you can find out a little bit more about some of Artius Man's other products, and of course there's plenty of reviews out there. Artius Man is a pretty big company, believe it or not. So, I'll get right into it about this particular product. So first off, in terms of scent, I like to cover the scent first. So a very quick bit of lore for you before I get into my own subjective opinions about this scent. This is from the Artius Man website. The backstory: when Artius Man first formed, we spent months working on the ultimate scent that would be the base for all of our hair, face, and body products. We created 107 scents in our quest to find an awesome base before we finally hit the perfect scent, which we call E4. Containing the woodsy hints of cedarwood and patchouli, which I agree with, combined with citrus scents of bergamot, grapefruit, and mandarin, we have the ultimate manly scent. A very bold claim. So first off, I've tried about 5 or 6 different beard washes in my life, and I must say that this falls in about second place in terms of scent for me personally. It's a very, very good scent. It's a strong scent. It is a raw, it's just a primal scent. The best way I would describe it is, as soon as you smell it, you smell that cedarwood come right through. And you can tell their intention. You really, really can. And that is to just simulate that experience of cutting a coniferous tree open, you know, a cedar in this case. And it's almost as if they simulated the smell of the sap and that whole just earthly experience of, you know, tapping a cedarwood tree. It is really, really interesting how they were able to do that. And it makes sense that it took 107 times to finally get this scent right. It's done really, really nicely, and oh wow, you really smell that nice citrus coming right through. A little bit of mandarin coming right through. The bergamot is definitely there. And I know a lot of that doesn't mean a lot to people. I get a lot of flack for just naming off the essential oils, but trust me, they're there. Actually, something I did very, very recently, and I suggest to anyone that wants to buy this product that you should do as well, if you want to have that nice scent remain in beard for a couple of hours after you use it. And that is to come home from work or wherever, and you know, you have to leave shortly, and that's what I did the other day. And you know, in the sink, I washed through my beard with this particular product. You know, worked it through with my hands. Just wash it out just a little bit. You know, if you're in the shower, it's hoping to just wash right out because of the just crazy amount of water that's coming through. But you know, if you do it in the sink, then you're not going to be able to wash all of it out. But that's kind of nice because then it just kind of stays in. And I hopped in a car. You know, 30 minutes later or something like that, and everyone in the car could just smell this nice woodsy scent, and they're like, "You smell so good. What is that? What is that?" So that was really cool. It's almost like you're just wearing this nice, you know, primal raw deodorant, you know, without having to do any woodworking. So that was good. I like that a lot for that purpose. In terms of the lathering is quite good. I've had better, I've had worse. You know, it's not exactly, well, here on the back it says apply a dime-sized amount to your palm. Yeah, that's pretty accurate. For my beard personally, I had to do like a dime and a half, but yeah, they're pretty well on point with that. And then create a lather and massage through your wet beard. Rinse with warm water, towel dry, and follow up with Artius Man beard oil. Yeah, that's pretty accurate. And it really does feel nice going through the beard. I find there's a couple of beard washes that I use that once you start working it through your beard, you just feel this weird brittleness. And it's just certain soaps, and I'm sure you've gotten this with you know, some beard washes or maybe even some shampoos. It's just the texture of the soap or the shampoo just creates this very strange brittleness in the hair, just because it doesn't glide, your fingers don't glide through the hair well enough, and that's probably one of the most irritating things about certain soaps and shampoos. And I will throw it out immediately if it does that, because I don't want to be pulling out my hair because it just, my fingers don't glide through my beard or my hair. So this doesn't do that. Awesome. That is one of my biggest criteria for this type of product. So that's essentially it. That's all I can really, that's all I really feel the need to talk about with this product. I like it. I really, really do. So go check it out in the description there. You know, if you want to check it out, E4 Beard Wash. I hope to try some of Artius Man's other beard washes. And I haven't tried their beard oil quite yet. That is a famous product. Artius Man is known for just creating the thickest of the thick in terms of beard product. You know, their beard oil is just so thick it's like molasses. A lot of their products are like that, and that's really, really interesting. They use very, very thick carrier oils and essential oils. So thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share, subscribe if you liked it, and go pick up this product if I convinced you. Have a good one.